Alright, you guys, welcome to another episode of Mike Plays Pokemon. Today, I've got a case of, a box of Celebrations mini tins. I'm kind of pissed because they sent it to the wrong address and I barely got this package. I think I ordered this thing. I'll check when I ordered it. I think I ordered it 2 weeks ago. I ordered it on December 1st. It is now December 13th. So it took 2 weeks to get this fucking package in the mail. I'm definitely going to be giving this guy a bad review. But anyway, let's open it up. And here's the contents of what's inside. We've seen one of these before. This one seems to be in pretty good condition. There's just a little dent on the box because the fucker who sold this box to me didn't put any bubble wrap around it. But the cards are in tins, so they'll be fine. But anyway, this is the box. I do not plan on opening this box on the channel. I actually plan on saving this box for my kids to open up in 20 years or sell or do whatever the hell they want with it. Because we looked up booster boxes today that are 10 or 20 years old, and some of them were worth between $10,000 and $30,000. So that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.